My name is John Graham. I'm one of the founding partners of the Crafter Space, and our business is created to bring Milwaukee back into the conversation with some of the new beer capitals. So we incubate small breweries and aspiring brewers to become the next great brewery in Milwaukee, with the hopes that we make this return us to a beer capital. We are creating a facility that is designed around helping people get started. There's only a couple places that are even somewhat similar to doing what we're doing, right? There's some contract brewers, there's people that do some, incubation in other businesses, but no one's doing exactly what we're doing. And that's something that's different and unique to what we're doing. To me, that's fairly innovative. It's also a good environment to bring people in. People don't see Milwaukee as a very vibrant place quite yet, so there's a lot of opportunity to bring people in and help grow the city here in Milwaukee, the region, and Wisconsin as a whole. We're proving to ourselves, to banks, to investors, and to everybody else in the community that we know what we're doing and that we're helping people get started. We know what an aspiring brewer needs. We know what hangs them up, what concerns them. And so over these 3 years, we've really worked hard to understand what an aspiring brewer needs.